Certainly. Let's delve into the inspiring journey of Caitlin Clark, a rising star in American basketball whose remarkable achievements have captivated the nation. Early life and passion for basketball. Born and raised in West Des Moines, Iowa, Caitlin Clark exhibited a profound passion for basketball from a young age. Her dedication and talent were evident as she dominated high school basketball, earning national recognition and setting the stage for a promising future in the sport. Collegiate success and national recognition. Caitlin chose to play college basketball for the University of Iowa, where she quickly became a standout player. Her exceptional skills, including her scoring ability and court vision, garnered widespread attention. She led the nation in scoring and assists, earning numerous accolades and solidifying her status as one of the top players in women's college basketball. Transition to the WNBA and immediate impact. In 2024, Caitlin declared for the WNBA draft and was selected by the Indiana Fever. Her transition to professional basketball was seamless. She made an immediate impact by leading her team to a championship victory and earning the WNBA MVP award in her rookie season. Beyond the court, inspiring a generation. Caitlin's influence extends beyond her on-court achievements. She has become a role model for young athletes, especially girls aspiring to excel in sports. Her dedication, work ethic, pursue their dreams with the same fervor. Looking ahead. As Caitlin Clark's career progresses, she continues to break barriers and set new standards in women's basketball. Her journey reflects the power of passion and perseverance, and she remains a beacon of inspiration in the sports world.